This year, the dollar has rallied almost 22.5%. In that same time frame, silver has fallen over 27%, copper has fallen over 22%, and both gold and platinum have fallen over 8%. Palladium rallied about 9.83% in that time frame, but since the new high made on March 7th, it fell almost 39%, during which the dollar rallied almost 11%. When the dollar strengthens, the price of metals traded in dollars tends to fall when all else is equal, as metals become more expensive in other currencies. You can have a strong dollar, and if there's a supply or demand disruption, like a strike at a large copper mine or a quick pickup in the Chinese economy, that typical inverse relationship may not hold. But if all else is equal, then continued dollar strength going forward will likely lead to lower metals prices overall.